Yo guys, what today for Real Madrid? What today for Barcelona? A positive and good day for Real Madrid fans because now they have more opportunity to buy, uh, more optimistic for buying Trent Alexander-Arnold and Alphonso Davies. And in other side, a bad day for Barcelona because they missed Dani Olmo. Juan Laporta cannot be able to complete the registration of the Dani Olmo. He didn't complete it. So literally now he's a free agent and he can leave Barcelona. We will talk about these subjects today, but before this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel. This has helped me a lot. Let's go for video. At the first part, I want to start with the news that AS and Marca made. These two are one of the most important sources about Real Madrid. AS and Marca, they said the same news but two different number. They said that today Real Madrid made offer to Liverpool that they said that okay, we want to buy Trent Alexander-Arnold but this offer is unofficial. It's not official one. So we offer you between 15 and 25 million, and we will take Trent Alexander-Arnold. Instead, if you don't accept it, we will come for him in the summer, which we know just right now Real Madrid can do an official negotiation with Arnold. So it's a power point for Real Madrid. They are in a power spot, which Liverpool is in a weakness part. But what Liverpool did, they said no, because Liverpool believes that they can change the situation, because we know that Arnold is an academy player of Liverpool. So many things can make difference in these 6 months. We know that probably Liverpool going to win Premier League. This is gonna be the second Premier League with Liverpool in the Premier League, and they have a good chance in a Champions League. We will see. They have a good team, good results for them. So also I think Arnold also, he doesn't want to leave Liverpool just in a winter, and probably he will wait for summer. But also what Fabrizio Romano says, he said the same stuff almost, that Liverpool still have a hope that Arnold will stay, but they know it's not easy because Real Madrid are pushing hard. Right now, Arnold is on the top, and they are working more on transferring him rather than Alphonso Davies, because Arnold is now this is more important player. And also the same word here says that Real Madrid are extremely confident and optimistic about the Trent Alexander-Arnold, which is completely makes sense. Now the first target of Real Madrid is Arnold. It's not Alphonso Davies. So today it was a good news about Arnold, that he's day by day he's getting close and close to Real Madrid. This is a positive and optimistic view for buying him. And also in the other side about the Alphonso Davies, there's not a lot of news, but what we heard now, it's like right now Alphonso Davies can make a negotiation with Bayern Munich, with Real Madrid, and they can make a contract with them without any problem. But Alphonso Davies is still waiting, because there's gonna be Bayern contract which will come for him, and also a contract from Real Madrid, and then he will make a decision that he wanna comes to Madrid or not. Obviously, he didn't renew his contract in a recent almost a year and a half. So it kind of makes sense that he wants to stay in Real Madrid. He wants to come to Real Madrid, not staying in Bayern Munich. So it makes sense that maybe he comes to Real Madrid. But there's a problem. His agent, as himself, is not focusing on project and what's gonna be the club future. He's more based on the news. We don't know what's happening in his mind, but what base of news, he's so caring about money. What we are always hearing is that he wants a lot of money from Bayern. Bayern cannot make it, and he wanna go. For example, Arnold don't have that problem. Arnold leaving Liverpool, not because of money, because of a new career, new plans, new future. But Alphonso Davies is all, and also his agent is always talking about money. So it's pretty interesting that maybe if Bayern can be able to make an offer that satisfy in a financial way, that makes satisfy Alphonso Davies, maybe he stay in Bayern. It's not something totally weird. So it's completely expectable that he may stay in a Bayern, or maybe he comes to Real Madrid. But right now there's more, I believe like something like 60 or 70% chance for Real Madrid that they can get Alphonso Davies. And now let's go to the other side. This is the most important part of this video. Dani Olmo. It's crazy what happened. Juan Laporta cannot make the registration complete with La Liga. So officially right now Dani Olmo is no longer registered with La Liga. He is now a free agent. And if you can, like, as you can see in a Twitter, most people, there is a trend of Laporta out, which just completely makes sense. This is a disaster. This is a shame for Barcelona, because what's happening? Is it possible something like this? Guys, like a club like Barcelona, they cannot register their own player, and they cannot play with Olmo in the rest of the season. And maybe he can, if he want, he can leave Barcelona, which what going to be their consequences? Dani Olmo becomes a free agent and join another club. But Barcelona has to pay Olmo his salary until 2030. So, for example, Olmo can join another club, and still Barcelona has to pay the money to 48 million to Leipzig, and also rest of the salary of Olmo until 2030 to Olmo. So it's a disaster. It's crazy. And this man, Juan Laporta, has to answer the old question that why this is happening. What happened to Barcelona that Barcelona cannot be even able to register his player? Also, Paul Victor, he has the same problem. He was the only substitution for Lewandowski, which now he's also cannot play for Barcelona. I don't know what Barcelona going to do. What's gonna be their reaction, especially this man Laporta. But still, this is crazy. What's happening with what Barcelona does? It's totally crazy. It's totally unexpected. So I don't know really what to say and what to do. In the future, we're going to have more news about this. And let's go for the third part of the news, which is about Lionel Messi. This man, there's a lot of news that says he's not going to stay in Inter Miami, and he wanna go to City. At some points, we know that Manchester City tries, and also Messi tried to join Manchester City, but it didn't work, especially in 2020, which it didn't work. I think it was Bartomeu 2020 or 2019 that Bartomeu refused to sell Messi to Manchester City, which Manchester City offered the crazy money, but he didn't accept it. And in other way, he renewed the Messi contract with crazy money. It was like he had two way: renewing contract with a lot of money, or selling him with crazy money, which he preferred the first way. The I forgot his name. So for Messi right now, in 2024 also he had in 2022 I think he had also the same situation, as I think so. Yes. No, guys, sorry. It was 2018 for that one, which Bartomeu didn't allow him to go. In I think 2 years ago, 3 years ago, in 2020 or 2021, when he left Barcelona, Messi had two chances, two ways to go with it. And what was it? He had go to PSG or City, which on that time Pep Guardiola said that he doesn't want Messi, and obviously they didn't bought him, so he went to Paris Saint-Germain, which didn't go well. And in other side, what was so crazy that Pep said, I don't need Messi, but a month later, when Ronaldo left Juventus and he tries to find a team, Manchester City was so close to get Ronaldo. So it was kind of actually interesting what Pep Guardiola did on that time. Obviously, if there was no Ferguson, we could maybe see Ronaldo in a Manchester City shirt, but it didn't happen. But also right now in a recent news, we're hearing that he maybe wanna join Manchester City, but Manchester City's situation is not good. City needs a they don't have financial problems for sure, so they're looking for young players and also the players that could be useful for them, because right now the City situation is not good. They're looking for someone to buy instead of Rodri. They are struggling with winning the games and this kind of stuff. So it kind of makes sense if they don't want to buy Messi, because Messi is not the solution. Messi could help them with the uh, media and this kind of sponsorship and this kind of stuff, not about the football. I mean, he can be helpful. He's one of the two goats in a football, but right now he's too old and he cannot be so useful especially in a league like Premier League. Imagining coming from MLS and to Premier League for saving Manchester City, which is, I think, it's totally dreaming and it's not possible. So, guys, today the news is over. We talked about what happened to Real Madrid, latest news about the transfers. Then Olmo, I will make another video about the Olmo and what's the consequences and what's the Barcelona reaction, because it's like 2 or 3 hours it's just passed from this news. So we will wait to see what's happening about him and what's gonna be the Barcelona reaction. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know in the comments what is your ideas about the video. If you have a new idea, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching video. Ciao ciao.